Welcome to Not Factory Approved. Today's adventure involves further adventures with the Cadillac. In other words, a 40s GM B-body two-door. Okay, great.
First I was running like this.
Yeah.
But the hail was hitting off here.
Yeah.
You can see on the marching laps. It would hit off here and just like.
Yeah.
It was just like running and then. So then I started going like this. Ding, ding, ding.
Good idea. Easter weekend, we're all having Easter dinner together. And the boys have come to help out. I have the two backside windows in. One passenger window. Don't have the quarters in. Now I'll show how to install the driver door window. So I've lubricated the pivots. The mechanism is in. Right there. With this track, put some grease in it. Now I will put that on the rollers. First thing is to roll the mechanism down. This one down. The screws, you put the screws in the frame later. There's a track missing on this one I see. There's on the other one. There's a track here. It should be inside. Also have to remove these three clips. There's one there, there, and there. Look like that for the window trim. Now put this one inside with the two screws for it. Helps if you put it the right way around often. There we go. Okay, that should work. Now to put the glass on the rubber and the track. See if I can get a shot of the inside mechanism. Not very easily. There's one of the tracks there you can see. Actually, I think you can see both of them. And then when it winds down, the cat's not happy on my lap. When the window winds down, you start to see some of the mechanism there. That's what I was putting together before, along with this one piece right up in here. Both are necessary for the mechanism to keep the window straight. There it is, up. I find it easier to start with this end. It seems to bend easier than this end, which is kind of a surprise. Shouldn't be too much different, but I guess this additional length just makes it a little bit more flexible. So I found with every window it's been easier on this end to get it started. And then I just tap it on gently with a rubber hammer. Be very careful not to destroy anything. So I've tapped this all on. This line here is important. That runs inside the channel, stops the glass from tilting. Everything is fully seated. Now to put it in. This has to come towards the inside for the bottom track to go there. And with the clips off, it's a lot easier. And now I will line it up inside by hand and put the screws in. There's the track for the bottom of the channel. One screw in there. I don't know how well you can see it. It's not very good. There you go. So there's four in total. I have to hold it with a needle nose pliers and put it into place because they're slot screws, which, you know, is always a hit. But it was made in the 40s. So I'll put those 4 in, and then the window should be installed. And here it is. So much easier than the back windows. Now I can put these clips back in. They're only out, make sure I didn't scratch the window getting it in there. And it did give quite a bit more room. So that's what I'd advise. And there we have it. 2 windows up front, 2 windows in the back. Now I have the windshield and the vent windows to go. If you're looking for auto glass, I can recommend this company.